Welcome to Canopy of Science. Today we are going to learn about the different types of motion which we see around us. So let's embark on this journey. Happy learning! Have you seen a car moving? The blades of a fan moving? Or the swing which you play in the park? All these motions which I have mentioned now, isn't they are different from one another? Yes, all these objects do not move in a same way. This is because there exist different kind of motion. So let's see what are all these different kinds of motion which we can see around us. Number 1. Translatory motion. If any object moves as a whole such that every part of that object moves through the same distance in the same given time, then that object is said to be in a translatory motion. If the object moves in a straight line, then that type of a translatory motion is called a rectilinear motion. Just like a car moves in a road. If any object moves in a carved line, then that type of translatory motion will be known as curvilinear motion. For example, the movement of this ship in the ocean, a car taking a turn on the road. These are the examples of curvilinear motion. Second type of motion is called circular motion. Circular motion is the motion when an object moves in a circular path around a fixed point or a fixed axis. We can classify circular motion into two types. Number 1, revolutionary motion, and number 2, rotation. What is revolution? If an object moves in a circular path as a whole, then that type of motion is called as a revolution. Example, the revolution of Earth around the Sun. Rotation. If any object moves around without changing its position, then that type of circular motion is known as rotation. Example, the movement of a fan or the movement of a top. They remain in a fixed place and they move about a fixed axis without changing their place in a circular motion. So it is a rotational motion. If you have enjoyed today's video, subscribe to Canopy of Science and stay tuned for more such educational videos. Thank you for listening with patience. If you have any doubt, mention it in the comment section. Until next time, stay healthy, stay motivated and keep learning. As knowledge is everywhere, you just need to grab it.